Kvertus has introduced the ADMW, a cutting-edge anti-drone gun designed to counter today's evolving aerial threats on the modern battlefield. Developed by the Ukrainian company Kvertus, the ADMW comes in two distinct versions, one engineered to disable FPV kamikaze drones operating in critical narrow-frequency ranges, and the other tailored to neutralize commercial drones carrying drop munitions. The war in Ukraine has shown that no modern combat scenario can be imagined without drones. As these platforms are increasingly used for real-time attacks or to deliver explosives, effective countermeasures become essential to protect infantry, equipment, and fortified positions. The ADMW operates by creating powerful radio interference that disrupts the communication link between a drone and its operator. Drones rely on radio signals for navigation, command input, and video transmission, whether it is a command to move forward, drop payloads, or return home. When these signals are jammed using a precisely directed interference beam, the target drone loses control. Depending on its programming, the drone may hover, descend abruptly, or automatically return to its launch point. The Anti-FPV variant focuses on the 700 to 900 MHz and 900 to 1100 MHz bands, which are critical for low-latency video feeds, while the anti-drop model covers a broader spectrum ranging from 400 to 2500 MHz, including common Wi-Fi and video transmission channels. Weighing only 8 kilograms, the ADMW is designed for mobility and ease of use. Its refined ergonomic design, which shifts the center of gravity closer to the operator's body, allows it to be comfortably held and fired with one hand, an invaluable feature in fast-moving combat situations or confined spaces like trenches. The system's antennas provide a generous directional pattern, up to 80 degrees horizontally and 60 degrees vertically, ensuring that precise aiming is not necessary to engage the drone. The device is powered by replaceable batteries that provide up to 90 minutes of active operation, with a brief 5-minute cooldown after 20 minutes of continuous use to prevent overheating. Ready to operate in less than 30 seconds after activation, the ADMW is a rapid response solution, offering maximum flexibility when seconds count.